Wow, amazing this animal. It's like a sun, huh? Right? So this animal is like saying, huh? But yeah, I'm not sure this ancient animal because it's tens of millions of years. And this one is cow. Yeah. Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah, this statue is called ancient cow, right? So beautiful. Yeah, look at me. Look good, this cow. Okay, and this one, and monkey. Monkey, um, monkey. What are you doing, monkey? Oh, monkey take a bees, honey. And this one's um, giant elephant. Wow, it's so big. Wow, amazing. This elephant. Wow, so lovely. Okay, see you next video.